This is a hearty soup full of nutrients, tons of delicious vegetables, high in protein and low in calories, and very filling, which is a priority on my list. Good base is very important for a good soup, so I always start with a homemade chicken stock. It is way better for you and tastes better as well. I have one already cooked rotisserie chicken, or what is left from it. It costs only $5 in Costco. We eat some of it for dinner, and the bones and leftovers I used to make a stock every single time. I have a large pot here and I poured water all the way to the top. I'm going to place it on the stove on a medium high heat. Watch it so it doesn't start boiling. While the water with chicken is heating up, I am going to prepare the first layer of vegetables: celery, onion, garlic, and carrots. I am also going to need beets and cabbage, but that goes into the soup later. Because I like to eat pieces of carrots and celery, I will chop them and I will leave the onion and the garlic whole. These videos that I share with you here are just a small part of a successful weight loss journey. I wasted decades of my life trying to figure out what works. But with proper knowledge, right from the start, you can save lots of time. If you need personal help to kickstart your weight loss journey, you must check out Blue JRX. Their 90-day program is so easy to understand and focuses on whole foods, nutrition, and personal coaching. I absolutely align with their approach to health and weight loss. They have great coaches and you can talk to them one-on-one before you get even started. Go to bluejrx.com and schedule your free consultation today. Their appointment scheduling tool is super convenient and easy to use, and if you tell your coach that I sent you, you'll get 20% off the entire program. Again, that's bluejrx.com. I added a link in the description, please check it out. Onion and garlic go in, and next chopped celery and carrots. My reasoning behind putting these veggies in first is to help the stock to develop the flavors, and these veggies are always the base of any stock that I make. I will include a link below in description for a full chicken stock recipe like this one. 2 tablespoons of kosher salt and a half a tablespoon of black pepper. I will let the stock simmer for about an hour or two. The longer, the better. The stock develops deeper and deeper flavors when it is cooked for longer. 3 bay leaves. These are dried lima beans, medium size. You can soak them ahead of time in hot water to reduce cooking time, but I am planning to cook the soup for a while, so I will put them in now. They add protein and make the soup thicker, especially when you let it sit overnight. You do not want to add too much as the beans expand a lot. I'm going to use just a half of the bag, which is about 8 ounces. After 2 hours, the stock looks like this. Pay attention to the low boil, how softly it is simmering. The slow simmering is crucial to create this clear stock. If you let the soup boil hard, the stock will be very cloudy, almost like ramen soup base. The beans are ready to dive in. They will take about 2 hours to soften. Sometimes if the beans are older, might take longer, so be patient. In the meantime, I am going to chop beets. This is an amazing vegetable, tons of valuable nutrients, and it adds tons of sweetness to the soup. Add them to the soup. Cook for another hour. The soup got a nice red color from the beets and the beans are starting to expand, but they are not ready yet. I'm going to check the beans. They have to be almost done but not falling apart. And this is a perfectly cooked bean, ready for the last step. And that is cabbage. I'm going to need just half of the head. Chop it roughly like so. Not too fine, just nice large pieces. Add to the soup and make sure it is fully submerged. I forgot one ingredient that makes the soup whole, and that is a spice named marjoram. I would add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of dried marjoram right around now. Cabbage will take about 30 minutes to fully cook. And we are ready to eat. The soup is way better if you keep it in the fridge for 1 or even 2 days. The beans and veggies will thicken the soup a lot and the flavors get way better, which makes the soup a great dinner to make ahead of time and have it all week long. Looking for more high protein dinners ideas? Check out these recipes next, and I hope to see you there.